Welcome back everybody. Today I'll show you how to create a DandyDialer account. Whether you want to automate outbound calls, send voice broadcasts or connect with customers more efficiently, DandyDialer makes it easy. Creating your DandyDialer account is the first step to getting started. The best part is that you don't need a credit card to sign up. You can also use the free package to test your setup before upgrading. Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to DandyDialer.com. Once the homepage loads, look at the upper right corner of the screen and click the sign up button. A form will appear. Enter your email address, provide your name, your phone number if you'd like. This step is optional. And create a strong yet memorable password. Re-enter your password to confirm it, then click the sign up button. Next, check your email inbox. DandyDialer will send you a verification mail. Open the email and click the verification link. You'll be redirected back to DandyDialer. Enter your email address and password. Then click sign in to access your account. Congratulations, you have successfully created your DandyDialer account and are ready to start exploring its features.